Hello children, this is video number 3 of English language of class 3rd. In the first and the second video we have completed lesson number 1 about sentence, okay, and now in this video we'll start lesson number 2. The topic is subject and the predicate. So before doing warm up, let us come to the explanation. Okay, what is subject, what is predicate? Okay, these subject and predicate, these are the parts of the sentence. Okay, this is the part of the sentence. So let us begin. Each sentence has someone who does the action. Okay, yeah, each sentence has someone who does the action. The rest of the sentence tells us something about the person or the animal that does the action. Okay, so each sentence, when one sentence is given to you, it has two parts, the subject and the predicate. Now the question arises, what is subject, what is predicate? So subject is that the part of that sentence that tells about someone who does the action, कि action कौन कर रहा है. Yes, and after that subject, the rest part of the sentence is called the predicate, means what is the work done by that, what is the action done by that subject. Okay, so suppose we take this example. For example, one who does the action, the dog, this one, the dog barked at the stranger. The dog barked at the stranger. Okay, so who is doing the action? The dog. The dog is doing the action. Action कौन कर रहा है? Dog कर रहा है. क्या कर रहा है? He is barking at the stranger. Yes. So अनजान व्यक्ति पर he is barking. Okay, so barked, that is the action done, that is called the verb, and at the stranger. Okay, and these two will together make the predicate. Okay, and this is the subject. Okay, so the dog is the subject, the one who is doing the action, that is subject, and the action that is done, that action is called the predicate. Okay, the rest part of the sentence is called the predicate. So similarly, the boy kicked the ball. Okay, the boy, so who is doing the action? Boy is doing. So the boy will be the subject and kicked the ball will be the predicate. Meeta is subject. Ate an apple. Meeta ने क्या किया? Ate an apple. Yes, तो ate an apple will be the predicate. Okay, so in the predicate also there is the verb also. Okay, verb is also contained in the predicate. Suppose this for example, barked, kicked and ate, that is the verb. Okay, जो action किया जा रहा है, that action is called the verb. So hope you have understood. Now so let us come to the define. The person or the animal doing the action in a sentence. एक sentence में कोई भी person या कोई भी animal जो action कर रहा है, that is called the subject of the sentence. Okay, a subject usually comes at the beginning of the sentence. हमेशा कहाँ आता है? Usually, generally it comes at the beginning, starting में ही subject होता है. Okay, and now comes predicate, the part of the sentence that explains or describes the subject, means उस subject को describe कर रहा है या explain कर रहा है वो part of the sentence, that part of the sentence is called the predicate and it contains the verb. The predicate contains the verb, just now I told you. Okay, now let us come to warm up. Warm up. Underline the names of the people or the animals who are doing the action. In this warm up, what we have to do? We have to underline the names of the people या animals. People या animals जो action कर रहे हैं, we have to underline the names. Okay. First one, the boy kicked the ball. First one, the boy kicked the ball. So who is doing the action? The boy is doing the action. So you will underline this, the boy. Okay, second one, Meeta ate an apple. Okay, तो apple किसने खाया? मीता ने. Action किसने किया? मीता ने. So Meeta will be the that person who is doing the action. So that will be the subject. Okay. Number 3, we like our teacher very much. So we like. Yes, like is the verb. वो action हो रहा है. Yes, किसके द्वारा? हमारे द्वारा. We. So that is the subject. Fourth one, the elephant ate a bunch of bananas. The elephant, okay, who is doing, किसने किया ये एक्शन, किसने किया, किसने bunch of bananas खाए, elephant ने. तो जो एक्शन करेगा, that part of the sentence is called the subject. Number 5, my aunt dances beautifully. My aunt dances beautifully. किसके द्वारा डांस हो रहा है? Who is dancing? My aunt. So my aunt will be the subject. Okay, so this is warm up completed. Now this I have already explained you. Exercise A we'll do little later. Exercise B, identify the highlighted part by choosing the correct option. First one, so highlighted part you have to just see, means जो colored है, yes, the part of the sentence that is colored. Okay, so you have to identify whether it is a subject, whether it is a predicate, whether it is a verb. Okay, or verb, the option is not given. Verb option is not given. If it is not subject, if it is not predicate, means subject भी नहीं है, predicate भी नहीं है, तो we will just tick right on the neither, C option. Okay, अगर subject है तो subject पर tick लगाएंगे, अगर predicate है तो we will tick the predicate. If it is neither subject nor predicate, we will tick option number C, neither. Okay, so let us begin. First one, the sun was shining brightly. Children, how you will do this exercise in the copy? You will just write the heading as it is. Identify the, instead of highlighted part, you will write instead of highlighted part, you will not write highlighted part. Okay, you will not write highlighted part, just you write underlined. Underlined part. Okay, you have to tell underlined part, just write like this. Identify the underlined part by choosing the correct option. This will be the heading. First one, after writing this, okay, the first one, how you will do, the sun was shining brightly. Now in the copy you will not write with the color, so what you will do, you will write the question number 1, the sun was shining brightly, and you will underline the sun. Okay, you will underline the sun. Then in the next line you will write option number A, subject, option number B, predicate, option number C, neither. Okay, so whatever the colored portion is given, that you have to underline in the question, and then you have to find out. Okay, hope you have understood this point. Okay, now let us begin the exercise. The sun was shining brightly. So now the sun is the sun. किसके द्वारा ये एक्शन हो रहा है? सन के द्वारा. So sun क्या है? That is subject. Okay, so first A part is the correct answer. So second one, the puppy chased its tail. Yes, the puppy subject हो गया. The puppy तो आपका underline है नहीं. Chased is the verb, that is also not underlined. अगर हम chased its tail, if we are taking full, then it will be the predicate. Only its, nothing is there, so we will just put neither. ठीक है. Number 3, the children played in the puddles. The children, this is the children is the subject. Yes, so children ने क्या किया? Play. Yeah, they played, so that is the subject. Number 4, my brother wrote a letter. So my brother is the subject, wrote is the verb, and wrote a letter is a predicate only if it is asking letter. So letter is nothing. Okay, so neither subject, neither predicate, that will be the option number C. Number 5, the postman knocked at the door. The postman, किसके द्वारा knock किया गया? Postman, that is the subject. Okay, postman is doing the action. Number 6, Mohini opened the window. Mohini is the subject. Mohini ने क्या किया? Opened the window. Full it is given, so that is the predicate. Number 7, the bee flew over the flowers. The bee, yes, किसके द्वारा action हुआ? Bee के द्वारा. That is the underline, so that will be the A part, subject. Okay, now comes, we have understood up to 7. Now question number 8. The bird flew away. Okay, the bird is the subject, flew away is the predicate. Number 9, she enjoys going to the cinema. She is subject, enjoys going to the cinema is the predicate. Only enjoys is asking, enjoys, that is the verb is not in the option, so the answer is C. So number 10th one, the green frog jumped into the lake. The green frog is the subject. Okay, hope you have understood this. Now exercise A we will do in the next video. Please complete this work in your copy in good handwriting and learn it. Thank you.